Alright, here we go. A couple of days ago, I went and saw 3D, saw 7, whatever you want to call it. And I just want to get this out there. I liked it. I loved the end. I would not say that this is the best Saw ever, but I would put it up there in my category. That is, I would put it up with 5. 5 being not necessarily my favorite sequel, but not the worst. I think, personally, I think 2 was the one that really, while it had its good moments, I believe they're all good films. I know there's a lot of hate out there for 4, but I actually liked 4. That was one of my favorites for until 6 came along and that. But yeah, I'd put it somewhere in the middle. Like, it's not the worst. My favorite Saw movie is the first one, then 6, then I'm not sure. There's some of the change places every now and again, but usually it goes 1, 6, then depending on my mood. Yeah, but I liked it. I'm glad I had the ending. I actually saw this one coming. I This is the ending I wanted. This is how that's how I would have wrote it. But onto the news I want to report here. I'm going to filter through this initial idea of what I was going to do when the final Saw was released, and that was write my own script for the follow up, which I would make sometime, which I would not want done and for at least 5 years. I think we need a break from Saw before there's any further sequels or next part of the saga, as I would say call it, or the new saga or whatever you want to call it, and I'll limit the next lot of movies to 3 because I'll discuss this in a later video. My thoughts on sequels in cinema, and that's it from me. I love, as I'll say, Saw 7. Go see it. If you haven't seen 6 or 5, don't worry. This more links in with the initial 3. Okay. While yes, you may be confused at first, but it's generally a lot of stuff in here. I will do another video on Saw, my thoughts on all the stuff in it after it has been done at the cinema, because I feel that, as I've said in previous videos, that I do not give anything away until it is done at the cinema, period. Yeah, that's it from me.